Climbing the ranks, your guide to understanding this popular phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in movies, books, or even in casual conversations: climb the ranks. This video aims to unpack its meaning, usage, and origins to help you add it confidently to your English vocabulary. So, let's get started and explore how this phrase can be a valuable addition to your language learning journey. Climb the ranks refers to the process of moving up through the levels of a hierarchy or system, often by achieving success, showing dedication, or demonstrating skill. It's commonly used in both professional and informal contexts. When someone says they've climbed the ranks, it means they've progressed from lower positions to higher ones, highlighting a journey of improvement and achievement. This phrase emphasizes growth, progress, and the effort required to move up in any structured setting. This versatile phrase can be used in various scenarios, from the workplace to military contexts, and even in sports or video games. Here are a few examples. In the workplace, she climbed the ranks from an intern to a senior manager within 5 years. In the military, the officer climbed the ranks quickly, thanks to his bravery and leadership skills. In sports or games, he climbed the ranks to become one of the top players in the league. These examples show how climb the ranks can describe someone's upward journey in different areas of life. To help you incorporate climb the ranks into your English, let's look at a few sentence structures. 1. Subject: climb the ranks from starting point to end point. 2. Subject: have climbed the ranks, becoming new position, status. 3. Despite challenge: subject: climb the ranks to achievement. By using these structures, you can create sentences that accurately depict someone's progression or your own experiences in various contexts. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of the phrase, climbed the ranks. It's a powerful way to describe personal growth, ambition, and success in moving up through any system or organization. Whether you're discussing career achievements, gaming victories, or any other form of progression, remembering this phrase can help you express these concepts more vividly in English. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you continue your English language learning journey in our next video.